Test everyone. As at this part, I want to show you how to read the second last record. Okay, and this is the database. Sometimes we want, already we read the last record, but sometimes we want to read the last second records. Mean that, and this is the record that we want to read, but sometimes we want to read the second record, last record, third last record. Okay? So how to read it? Okay, I have the model name. I go to apps, model name, and I have the product right. So how we read it? How to read it? So I go to route, okay, and this is my bridge, but I don't want to show you. I want to show you how to read the second record. So I go to web. Second record. Okay, now we want to read, for example, second CR. Mean that CR refer to the full word second records and apps / model and products right, and then we read, okay, order by ID or created, but we want to show with the order by ID. Order by ID, and then we want to read the descending, and we skip one. Okay, skip one. Meaning, for example, I take to record. Okay, so we display on the web page. Okay, now the last second record and the last record display here, but we want to read for jquery-gui, and this is the ID 36 and the ID 335, but sometimes we want to read this record, not the 36. Yeah, I want to read the second last record 35, for example, and this is the 35 that I want to read. Okay, this is the technique that we want to know, and especially if you as developer, and especially refer to the analytic programmer, must to know how to read the second record, because the sometimes company they want to know the price change product is, yeah, and this is the product old price, and this is the new price update. For example, I want to read the certified, so we go to, but when we read the certified, I want to escape one, for example. And then number 6, so we skip one. Mean that when I skip one, they get the second, not the certified record. So I refresh. Okay, and this is the first record. So we used to if we read the first record, we must change to the method first record. because when we use like this, we need convert to JSON object data, not array. Okay. So when I refresh again, and this is not array original. Okay, so I read the product ID, product ID. We can read it like this. Product ID, and we want to read the price, and want to read the price like this. Okay, and the second last record price and 2700. Why I to show you like this? What I do mean? What I do mean? Well, mean that I create a developer, and especially I create a full company big N. I go to product, but when we use like this, mean that we must create a product to store the data, and product to store product price that we change, and then we drag as to the product price as a product price table here. So we use like this, mean that we can show the last price record, update, down or up. And this is the especially analytic that developer must to know. Okay, and this is the my analytic. For example, in the write down, mean that the 2700 to 2600. So I want to change VIP price to 28. Okay, and this is the design as a show up. So we update by 28. So mean that the company or owner of company is they clear to know so quickly when the VIP upgrade bright products. Okay, thank you everybody. This is the mean, that's the mean that I want to show you. You must to know to read the second last record. Okay, thank you everybody. And the next time I want to show you how to you read data with data give you like this, for example. And this is the data that we want to admin activities, social activity, poster activity. And this is the admin or owner of and manager of company or institute. They want to know activity of user from the action that they create, update or delete data. And this is the server data price, and this is the featured. Okay, thank you everybody. And this lesson I want to show you as a like this only, as with the user upgrade price, and then we want to show assign up or down. Okay, thank you. And the last time, don't forget like, share and subscribe on my video. And we have a special video in the next time. And I am sorry for the beginner Laravel, and this is for advanced Laravel programmer. Okay, thank you. Good luck everyone.